Now let's take a look at some actual dive tracker operations here in the Catalina Islands. And here you can see a DiveTracker Sport transmitter just lowered over the side of the boat. And here now I'm demonstrating how to use the DiveTracker Scout, the smaller one. And notice I pointed in the direction where the boat and transmitter really is. It's very good visibility here. This is just to give you an idea how you just kind of scan around a little bit and go in that direction. Now we see it from the other perspective. And so if you don't know yet where the signal is, you do like a full 360-degree circle while observing the lights, the LED lights, because you can also get reflections from the opposite direction. So you're looking for the strongest signal here. I'm shielding it with my hand a bit so I can see the Scout light in bright conditions. So then I say, all right, that seems to be the direction to go. I'm pointing here the direction with my hand and off I go. So that's how you would use the Scout device. Here now for reference is the DiveTracker Sport. I have it on a lanyard mounted on my hand. And I'm looking, it's got a more narrow beam angle, so it's generally easier to find the direction of the transmitter. And I found that now. Checking my gauges, I'm getting low on air probably. Yeah, I'm giving the up sign, so I'm low on air. So it's really time to go back to the boat now. Okay, there we go. And now you can very nicely see the display here. The signal is very definitive for the DiveTracker Sport. So it is actually easier to use, I would say, the Sport than the Scout. Yeah, but the Scout is smaller, and costs half as much. So that's advantages too. Eventually, you'll see again our anchor line and mooring line. We deployed some other equipment as well. I'm always testing some equipment. There you can kind of see it at the top of the screen. That's where we're heading to. And yeah, we're getting right to it. Okay, and there's the boat. We made it. So always come up at the anchor line. We have a customer who says to diver, you come up at the boat or you don't come up at all. I wouldn't recommend that, but usually with the DiveTracker, you do come up at the anchor line. All right.